Guys, welcome back to just a quick video. This video is about why you should get your iPhone professionally repaired. These are the reasons. So this is an iPhone 7, this is an iPhone 6s Plus. Both of them have been opened and have different issues. Now this 7 was opened by a third party and not properly repaired. So you can easily notice because it's missing this kind of metal bracket over the connectors. So it's missing the metal bracket right there. There is a lot of this little bit of dirt near the loudspeaker, and as you go with the phone you do find a lot of dirt and dust within the device. Even though the iPhone 7 is IP67 rated and dust and water resistant, the issue is once the third party repaired the phone, even though the repair was done for a screen replacement, they failed to install the seal that keeps the water resistance and the dust resistance of the iPhone 7. So this is the issue. They say that they repair the device, but they skim out on very small tiny details as installing that seal. The seal is really cheap. I think in the UK just about £1 or so for the seal, and it's absolutely ridiculous. There's no reason why you cannot install the seal. It's really simple, it's really cheap, and should be done. Also, another thing is that this screen isn't original. I don't know whether the customer noticed it or not, but I do. Because it's not as bright and vibrant as the real display. So this is, I don't even think this is refurbished. This looks like a fake display. Also, now this is a phone which was unprofessionally repaired by a third party. So that's the iPhone 7. Have a look at this iPhone 6s Plus. This one looks magnificent. It looks like it has never been opened all its life. It's got all of those little parts, the metal shields, all the screws are in place. There's no dust anywhere within the device. Even the water indicators are fine. This looks absolutely beautiful. It looks as it came out from the factory. There's no issues with this. Now, even if a repair was conducted on this, it was really professionally done. Even when I open the device, as you can see, it still has this black water seal around it on the 6S. So this is for the 6S and above. The seal was still there, whereas this phone did not have the seal on it. So this video is just a quick comparison between what happens if you give your iPhone to be repaired professionally or at Apple, or if you get it done through a third party. So just to keep you guys informed, do take care of your devices. These devices do cost a lot of money, and if third party does things such as not installing that seal, and if you trust that, oh yes, the iPhone 7 is water resistant, and you put it in a little bit of water, there is nothing that's going to stop the water from entering in the phone because the seal itself is absent. Whereas on the 6S, the seal is still present. So just a quick video to inform you guys. Do take care where you decide to get your iPhones replaced, not replaced, repaired. I strongly recommend you go to Apple, but if your iPhone is out of warranty and the repair from Apple is really costly, then go to a third party, but ensure they are really good and professional in their repairs, so things like this will not happen to your device.